Another prophet don't come outside. Come they tell the Biafran people, say that Biafra will not come by gun or by any other way, but by the signature. Explain how this will happen. I'll put the video for you, may you watch. But I see something in comment where he made this video, where people are telling him to come out him mad in this particular prophet. Say this one, they no take him at all. He said that not only gun fit push Nigeria government to answer Biafra quickly. This is what people are saying. So I would like to hear your own opinion in the comment section. The former legal counsels of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be Mike Ezekomo. He said the man don't come outside to contact the federal government many things concerning the legal process which Nigeria are dodging from. One of the people who witnessed the war don't come. Ask gowon. Say now where you don't do finish, Nigeria don't still good. You know the reason why this man called gowon is still alive, because God wants him to stay and see what he fight for and see if he have done it right or he have done it wrong. This God we are serving our wise. Now I'm bringing you the video of this prophet who will talk about how Biafra will take on before we jump to another video. Stay tuned.
He said the Biafrans are coming now. Lie, the Biafrans are not coming now. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Biafra will come by signature. The freedom will come by handwriting. It will not come by gun. It will not come by batting. It will not come by killing. It will not come by tribal war. Biafra will come by signature, and the nation will be at peace. Biafra will come when the nations will be at peace, not when the nation is at war. So there is nothing God will derive joy from to say, let him allow death before freedom comes. No. Biafra will come by signature. I see 6 people from this side, 6 from this side, 6 from this side. And a signature was signed, and witness was signed. And I saw British in the witness. I saw the court, the big court. I don't know what they call it, if it's in UK or wherever it is. And I saw a white man in the middle, who is a big judge in one of the courts in Nigeria. Sorry, outside Nigeria, in the Western world. And they signed. So 6 people from the Yoruba, 6 people from the Hausas, and 6 people from the Biafra. Then a white judge was in their midst, in this long table, like a cross, and a signature was made. That's how Biafra will come. Biafra will not come by war. Biafra will not come by killings. So this protest and this shaking that is coming is not about the Yorubas. The shakings that is coming is not about the Igbos. Let's have the mentality of one Nigeria. We are fighting for the nation to become better, not to become tribal war. I rebuke that spirit of tribal war in the name of Jesus.
Okay, my wonderful people, let me quickly show you this video of what happened during the war. Let's just watch this video. You will understand something in this video, that this gowon, waiting this man do Biafran people will not be smart. Just watch the video.
But he said no victor, no vanquished. And today, how are they treating us? There is victor, there is vanquished. Everybody knows that. Gowon, who said to the world there was no basis for unity, fought a war of unity. In fact, brought war of unity to our doorstep. You understand?
Yeah.
Brought the war here, and that's why I don't have any regard for him, because he said there was no basis for unity. And in another breath, he talked about unity. He had reneged over the Aburi decision that no war should be used in solving Nigerian problem. Today, you can see what is happening in the political arena. Gowon is not saying a word. When he has opportunity to talk, he says, I don't want anybody to do anything about unity that will affect our unity. Unity is for the living, not for the dead. Dead people don't talk about unity. And therefore, what is important is that he should be a man and speak up against a man who is ruling this country wrongly. Because he was the one who imposed a war of unity on Nigeria. And many people died. Unfortunately, Nigerians don't have statistics as to how many people died either this way or that way. That is Nigeria for you. And anybody who cares can say anything and do anything and get away with it. Okay. That is not. So anyway, apart from Gowon saying basis of unity, we fought a war. I fought a war, and for which I got this wound. I got this wound at Abo after the 9th mile corner, and it's a machine gun wound, and it has its debilitating effect right now. That's why I'm traveling to see what can be done. Not that I want to continue living, because it doesn't bother me one way or the other. God's time is the best. Now, after the war, Gowon, the same Gowon said, no victor, no vanquished. But the same Gowon set up a board of inquiry headed by Adebayo. And the board of inquiry was to determine what we, ex-Nigerian army officers, did against Nigeria during the war. So he set up that board of inquiry, and they determined that we should be rearrested and detained. And that's what I covered in the Fall of Biafra. How they treated us. We went back to Kirikiri. First of all, Porakot prison, where they were giving us, I don't know. It's not good. I don't want to rewrite a book. Let's just live, sleeping dogs lie. So I went to detention 1970, 71, 72, 73, 74. We were in prison. No trial. But thanks to Dr. Tai Solari, you remember him? Yeah. He made a march from Ikene to Lagos, persuading Gowon to release us. There were people outside Nigeria who were bothered about our being continually, being detained. And even some people went to the United Nations to talk about us. But Nigerian government, Gowon's Nigerian government, there were no detainees in Nigeria. No detainees. And so we spent about 5 years in prison without trial. And when they were there to release us, it was Hassan Usman Katsina who received us at the Lagos Garrison Organization, and he said to us, look, from now on you can go, but don't enter any military barracks and all that. These are the people who said no victor, no vanquished. And he released us, not even a kobo to any of us for transport home from Lagos.
After everything Gowon did to these people, to Biafran children, by millions of Biafrans, what now happened? Have Nigeria changed? Nigeria is going down every blessed day. Let me bring you what the former lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said.
Many cases involving federal government appointees that were discontinued with a nolle prosequi. That is not interference with the judiciary. It is a right, a constitutional right given to the Attorney General of the Federation under Section 175 of the Constitution, that you can undertake, you can continue, you can discontinue, you can withdraw any charge that is already going on, whether initially filed by you or by any other person or authority. But the Attorney General cannot do this by himself, because it's an appointee of Mr. President, because the tail cannot wag the dog, because the messenger cannot become greater than the person who sent him a message. That is why I'm saying the president as commander-in-chief of the armed forces of Nigeria and as the president, using his executive powers under Section 5 of the Constitution, does have the power to instruct the Attorney General to say, look, it is more politically, socially, culturally, economically productive to have Nnamdi Kanu released immediately and unconditionally from detention so that there will be peace again in the restless southeast part of Nigeria. Is southeast not a part of Nigeria? Have you not seen that each day Nnamdi Kanu is going to court, or when they believe that he's going to court, that the entire place is locked down, and that has been going on for over 3, 4, 5 years? Is Mr. President, can you not see Southeast as part and parcel of Nigeria and discover that the best solution to this is political solution? That is not interference with the judiciary. It is by simply instructing the Attorney General of the Federation, who will do what the law says he can do under Section 174 of the Constitution. I assure you, my dear sister, that is not interference with the judicial function. Rather, it is in compliance with our judicial tenets.
Yeah, but there are others who would say that this might just set the wrong precedents and wrong signals to those who may want to take up arms against the country in the name of ethnic or regional agitations.
I think that time for big English don't pass. Wetin would they now? Let Tinubu government be playing this game they are playing with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but let them not forget that it is a very dangerous one they are playing with. So time will tell. Share this video, you get why.